Hey lipstick gang, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing something special. I'm going to be making a lip kit today. I've already made my clear gloss. I'll be sure to share that video. That will be included in my lipstick kit, and I'm also going to be adding two beautiful colors that pair so well together. And the name of this lipstick kit, well, I'm going to be calling mine a lip combo. But the name of this lip combo is called Sundress Season because spring is officially here. And I thought that the name Sundress Season is so fitting. In this kit, I'm going to be having Madison and Mesa in a matte finish, of course, alongside that clear gloss. Stay tuned because you guys are surely in for a treat.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick,
let's mix it up.
Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it. Mix it, lipstick, mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Alright guys, first things first, I want to send a special shout out to all my current patrons, and also to let you guys know that this recipe and alongside many others will be on my Patreon, so definitely check it out. First things first, I'll be starting off with my world famous lipstick base. You can grab my base from veryveelobeauty.com. And then I'm going to be going in with the white pigment, which is the titanium dioxide. You guys make sure that you are always wearing a mask and gloves. I can't stress this enough because you do not want to breathe in any of our powdered pigment. So please mask up, be safe, you guys, and responsible. So I'm going to be mixing in that titanium dioxide like so. And the next pigment that I'm going to be adding in is the FD&C red number 27 alum lake. This is an oil soluble pigment, you guys, when shopping for it, and also it is batch certified. I'll be sure to link my shop with me video where I go into full detail about how to shop for your pigments, where I get my pigments, the type of pigments to buy, all of that good stuff. I will be sure to link that in the description box. So, and also my hand mixer. A hand mixer, you guys, saves you a ton. I'm going in with my FD&C blue number 1 alum lake just to bring forth some purple vibes to this color. The color that I'm making first is the Madison color, which is like a deep pink and purple fusion with some brown undertones, and there goes the brown. I'm going in with my brown Oxide to just kind of like neutralize that purple, bring it down a notch, and basically give it those brown undertones like I mentioned before. And then of course, to make this lipstick matte, I'm going in with my Kaolin Clay. So I'm going to be taking my spatula and I'm going to be sweeping that Kaolin Clay back and forth, and my bowl is so small. But yes, this batch right here is a small batch, so it will make at least 1 to 2 bottles, 1 to 2 tester bottles. And of course, on my Patreon, I'll be sure to share the large recipe where you can make 8 or more bottles. So yes, now I'm going in with some Isododecane remix after the clay in order to take it from that paste to a nice matte liquid lipstick. It's going to correct the texture and bring our lipstick from a paste consistency to more of a cream consistency. And here I am making a mess, but that is okay. I'm going to clean it up just like so. And a lot of you guys asked me how to put a how to set up my syringe so that I can fill my bottle. So I took a sanitized pipette and a sanitized pair of scissors, and what I did is clipped off both ends of the syringe, but I flipped the syringe to, you know, the bar at the bottom. I'm going to do it again just for clarification, and I'm going to snip off the bottom part so that it can fit onto the bottom of my syringe. So the bottom of the pipette is going to, I'm going to flip it and place it on the bottom of my syringe like so. You want to make sure you clip it until you got like a good fit, and from there I'm going to go ahead and fill in my bottles. A smaller spatula will of course be more ideal, but I just grabbed what I had right away. My big spatula was handy, and I knew how to fill it with a bigger spatula. But yes, a smaller spatula will be much better in order to get all of that product into your syringe. Of course, if you're filling more than one bottle, make sure you grab a jumbo syringe. But since I'm only filling one, I just grab my 10 milliliter syringe. But yes, I'm filling it. Fill the bottle and leave an inch's space at the top, and that is so very important so that you can be able to put in your stopper and your wand. So moving on to the next color in our kit, I got my base here, and then I'm going in with my titanium dioxide next, and then I am going to be getting my my silicone spatula and working that in. Again, you guys, make sure you have on a mask. I can't stress it enough. I'm going to say it so that you can make sure that you got your mask on, okay? So next I'm going in with my hand mixer, and I'm just powering that up. All those particles are flying, and I just want to make sure you guys are protected. So again, wear a mask. Now I'm going in with some brown oxide, and this color is this nude color, which goes by the name of Mesa. It is a simple nude. The only colors involved are titanium dioxide and brown oxide. This is as simple as it gets, and this can also be a base recipe for all of your nudes. You can start your nudes off all in this way, and then kind of just build the colors, add some pinks, add some more different tones so that you can diversify your nude line. Now I'm going in with some Kaolin Clay, of course, because I'm done. I got my 2 pigments in there, and now it's time for me to make this lipstick matte. So I went in with my Kaolin Clay, and as per usual, I'm going to be sweeping that clay back and forth until I get a paste. And once I get that paste consistency like so, I'm going to be going in with my Isododecane remix, which you can also get from Veryveelobeauty.com. And I'm going to be adding that to my bowl. And after I add that to my bowl, I am done. I'm going to mix it, give it a good mix with my hand mixer, and I'm done. I'm going to bottle that up as well. But yes, this lip combo, when I tell you these two colors together look absolutely stunning. It's so fresh. It's so vibrant. It's so perfect right in time for spring. Spring started on the first day of spring was March 20th. And I was like, oh gosh, I got to get me a video up because you girls keep me busy. You girls keep me busy from wholesale to classes. Oh my gosh. Just finding that balance and finding that time to make sure that I get me a good upload schedule, and stay consistent. I appreciate you guys for being so patient with me and for most importantly, supporting me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Your support does not go unnoticed, and it is so very appreciated. But here I am again, filling up this bottle and just giving it a tap. You want to give it a tap so that the product can level down to the bottom, and then just fill, leaving 8 inches space. And I'm going to leave that inches space and put in my stopper and then my wand. And then what you want to do is just move it up and down to level it out. And then I am lining my lips with Madison. And then after that, I'm going to be doing a combo with the Mesa Nude. And I'm just blotting it out with my lips so that that gradient can get nice and give me a nice coverage. And just like that, I'm done. I love the way this combo came out, you guys. And of course, if you want to add a gloss on top, it is going to include a clear gloss, my Ultra Shine Clear Gloss, and that just took it up to a whole nother level. Loving the way that's coming out as well. And then I went back in with some of the nude just to deepen that gradient. So of course I had to show love to all my lipstick besties of all skin tones and just kind of showcase what both of the colors look like on my lippy swatch sheet. You can grab this lippy swatch sheet from Veryveelobeauty.com along with my base and everything else that I used in this video as far as the supplies. And if you want to purchase a sundress season lip combo, you can do that as well. But yes, it came out so cute on the sheet, and you guys can get a better idea of how it looks up against all skin tones. This is a good way to see, you know, how the color differentiates from each variety. But yes, I love my lippy swatch sheet. I put my acrylic sheet on top just to make it easier for me to keep my sheet clean and keep my sheet looking great. But here is my website. This is sundress season on my website. It came out so well, and I'm just so happy that I could share with you guys how I made my lip kit / lip combo, and so that you can do the same. If you guys do decide to make a lip kit, email me some pictures. Let me know your progress. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for allowing me to share my gifts with you and supporting my channel, supporting the company, supporting the brand, supporting me. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys, and stay blessed.